Since the majority of freshwater fish species are accustomed to live in non-salinized settings, salt is typically not needed in freshwater aquariums. However, in some circumstances, using a little amount of aquarium salt, rather than conventional table salt, can have the following advantages. Advantages of salt application in freshwater aquariums. Stress reduction. Fish, particularly those adjusting to unfamiliar surroundings, might benefit from the application of salt. Disease prevention. By encouraging a better slime coat and functioning as a mild antiseptic, salt can help avoid certain infections. Treating parasites. By eliminating parasites and promoting healing, salt is occasionally used to cure illnesses affecting freshwater fish, such as itch white spot disease. When to steer clear of salt. Fish sensitive. Certain plants and freshwater fish, such tetras, as well as scaleless fish like loaches and catfish, are susceptible to the effects of salt and may suffer damage if exposed to it. Long-term use. While treating fish with salt occasionally might be helpful, regularly adding salt may not be required for a healthy freshwater aquarium and may even stress out or hurt species that aren't meant for brackish conditions. Generally speaking, freshwater tanks shouldn't contain any salt unless they are intended for a particular kind of treatment. Before adding salt, always find out what your fish specifically requires.